Hello, copycat recipe lovers. Have you ever craved that Costco chicken bake but didn't want to make the trip? Well, get ready to bring that food court experience right to your own kitchen. With just a handful of ingredients, you can recreate this cheesy, savory delight at home. Imagine biting into a golden, crispy crust filled with tender chicken, smoky bacon, and a blend of gooey cheeses, all wrapped up in a Caesar dressing kissed package. It's not just a meal. It's a Costco experience in every bite. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or anytime you need a hearty snack. And what's the best part? You can make a batch and freeze them for later. Homemade convenience food at its finest. Get ready to wow your taste buds and maybe save a trip to Costco. Check out our full recipe and bring the food court experience home today. And if you love copycat recipes, be sure to come to copycat.com.